All right, morning, guys.
Morning, Jake.
Good morning.
So, what did we go over yesterday?
Drowsiness.
Drowsiness?
Right?
Instructions.
What's that? So drowsiness. What was the takeaway on it?
Stop, get out.
Take a nap.
Stretch.
Proper diet and exercise.
So hydrated. Yep, staying hydrated.
Setting up
Eat a
the
good meal.
Sleep.
So,
diet and exercise.
Yep. Those all had to do with the topic yesterday. From now on, when we have handouts where we have the topic, so you guys can see what we're gonna go over, it's gonna be right there hanging in front of the time clock. Today we're using the second portion of chapter 4 of Safety 24/7 as our topic. Also, there's an incident that was put on the table. There's a motorcyclist in Delaware that tried to go around
That was
two trucks
stupid.
and a waste management truck.
He
The
was
waste management
stupid.
truck was trying to take a left hand turn and succumbed to his injuries. Doesn't use either for either and didn't see the ramp. Not a whole lot our driver could do about it. It's still something that everyone needs to be aware of. I don't know why someone would try to fly around like that, but
Come downhill yesterday, I had my left signal on to turn into the yard. Somebody passed me.
gotta love it. Best thing is though that you actually saw him and you didn't turn into him, so.
Oh, yeah.
So, what causes most injuries and incidents? This is from the Safety 24/7 book.
Being complacent, something that you've done so many times that you don't look over or assess the situation. As things change, you get so into a routine that you just make it a routine where you don't look it over before you perform that again.
Okay, that's definitely one of the things, complacency. What's another thing that can actually cause one person to do it differently than another? Remember going over risk tolerance? You guys remember what risk tolerance is?
how seriously you take it.
Yep. how
Your
seriously
task.
you take it.
Yeah.
That's
If you do it
another
every
thing
time,
that-
all the time.
That's another thing that'll be on here is the key terms, so you guys can kind of review that. But yeah, it's risk tolerance level and it's also that complacency. Very good. How are you going to stay safe after deciding that you aren't going to get hurt? So after you make that conscious decision, which hopefully you do every morning, I'm not gonna get hurt, how are you gonna keep yourself safe?
Think of the task at hand.
There you go.
Use your tools.
Use your tools, very good. And what's the difference between a disagreement and disrespect?
How you present it.
Yeah.
The words you use.
Because you can disagree without being disrespectful, right?
Yep.
The biggest thing is, we're not always gonna agree, we're humans, right? So, you might not agree with a policy, but we might have to follow the policy, so we can agree to disagree, but we can't be disrespectful. So what's the takeaway today? Or takeaways?
Well, follow the procedures all the time. Keep yourself safe,
Yep.
Do the job correctly.
Use the tools, okay.
Assess your risk.
Assess your risk, very good,
You respect and disrespect, treat others like you want to be treated.
very good. All right, let's have a safe day.
Have a good day. Friday.
You know, you were at the Sam's Club.
Yeah,
We can
yeah.
give you a crown.
Yeah. You want to be treated like a queen?
More than that.
Dairy Queen.